So, my brother, what you will do is to have a proper meeting with your sister. Proper meeting with your sister. Proper. Sit down with her. If since you are far from her, call her. Spend time, 1 hour, 2 hours, 3 hours. You can do it. The meeting can be like 3 days. When I mean 3 days, like you call today, call another day, for a while. Like so that you will really understand your sister. Maybe you have stayed with her before and you understand her. Like you know your sister very well, right? But maybe you have not stayed with her, you don't understand her too much. My point is, with the matter on ground, talk with your sister. Like have a proper conversation with her. Know her well, know her intent, know what she wants, why she wants it, how she wants it. Don't bring in your own first. Don't be biased. Hear her out. She's 22 years old. She's old enough to make decisions for her life. You can only advise. Then you'll be shocked now that this guy you are condemning like this, you have not even spoken with this guy. You'll be shocked. Because that's how we do things. We just do things anyhow. Thank God for teachings like this. You want to condemn the guy, you have never spoken with the guy. You don't know the guy's vision. You don't know where the guy is coming from. You don't know his plans. You don't know what he's doing. So, while you are speaking with your sister, speak with the guy. Demand to speak with the guy. Hear the guy out. Be sure. Don't assume. Not something somebody told you. Talk with the guy. Since you are an elder brother, after speaking with the guy, if you now conclude that, my sister, this guy is not good for you, then you now tell your sister, this guy is not good for you, and this is the reason. Here's my advice for you. Here's what I think. I will not force you, and I also present the case to the family that nobody should force you, so that you can live your life freely. You that you're in Germany now, imagine when you said you wanted to go to Germany, and the family said, no, you cannot go to Germany. No, just think about it. They force you not to go to Germany. Would you like it? You will not like it. Maybe even the Germany is not even paying off as you thought it was going to pay off. But now you have your own self to blame. Or maybe it's paying off. You have your own self to praise. Do you understand? So you speak with her. Then you also speak with the guy and say, hey, I wouldn't want you to marry my sister. And this is the reason. But if you want to marry her, this is what I expect you to do. You do your part and leave them alone. Especially when it comes to marriage matter. You are not going to force somebody. No. Who told you that if she comes to Germany, her life will be better? Who told you that? What makes you think that in Germany, her life will be better? So you're telling me that all the people in Cameroon, they don't have good life? Is that what you're saying? Are you getting my point now? So anything that has to do with another man's life, another man's will, it's a delicate matter. You don't go there and try to manipulate and force your will and say you must do this one because I'm your elder brother or I'm your father or I'm your mother. No. When anybody gets to 20 years old, that person, in fact, in the law, according to the law, in Nigeria is 18 years old. Once you are 18, you are an adult. An adult means you can make decisions on your own. Some countries 16.